the not knowing is what makes the wound not close.
More than 2 decades after her son's death, a judge has reopened the case involving this woman's son. She spoke only with News 3. Good evening. I'm Eric Franke. First tonight at 10, an 8-year-old Artis Echoles was in foster care when he died back in 1988. His foster mother said her daughter's fiance had taken him swimming in the Bark River in Jefferson County when he disappeared. But the boy's biological mother says Artis could not swim. And Only News 3's Margo Spann spoke with her and shares her insights into the latest developments.
He was precious, and I miss my son.
Artis Echoles' mom, Carmin White, describes him as hyperactive. Because of that, and having another child at the time, she asked the state for help, and he was placed with a foster family. She says it made a difference in her 8-year-old's life, but the progress was halted when his foster family took him to a campground in Jefferson County.
I can remember that day just as plain as today.
He went missing June 18th, and after an exhaustive search, a grim discovery was made the following morning.
The coroner came, and that's when he told us that they had found my son in the bottom of a pond and that he was deceased.
She was told her son had accidentally drowned. News of his death sent Carmin into a downward spiral that led to drug abuse and multiple stints in jail.
I tried to move on with my life thinking that was what happened until 24 years later, my daughter found a Jefferson County envelope, and once we read the report, it was very devastating.
According to the report, 3 witnesses say they saw Artis in the water with a man trying to make him swim, even holding the boy's head underwater. Using the newly unearthed case files, Carmin wrote to a judge asking for a John Doe investigation.
Thank God for that judge. After all these years, it took her 3 days to read what everyone else overlooked.
Artis's mom hopes those witnesses and anyone else will come forward to speak up about what they saw at the camp that day.
If they got any kind of heart, please come forward. Please.
Artis Echoles III would have celebrated his 33rd birthday later this month. Margo Spann, WISC News 3.
The Jefferson County District Attorney declined to comment on the case. The John Doe investigation should be complete by April 30th.